Among the usual terrifying, sad, and hopeless news of the week, there was some good news. There's a giant moving robot in Japan. Wait, good news? The robot is a life-size replica of the RX-782 Gundam robot from the popular anime Mobile Suit Gundam. It's set to be a part of the Gundam amusement park in Yokohama, Japan, just south of Tokyo. It can walk, kneel, point to the sky, and even ask, "Why God, why?" like this. My dad made fun of me for having an action figure of this Gundam when I was a kid. He said that the feet looked like high-heeled shoes. Well, who's chuckling now, Dad? This is awesome, and while I and many of my greasy-haired anime-loving peers are excited, Japan, could you hold off for just a little bit? I'm not saying 2020 is cursed. That's stupid. A year can't be cursed. This is a bad idea any year. You know, just give the project some time to breathe. Wait, it can breathe? Between a pandemic and Elon Musk shoving computer chips into people's brains and my high blood pressure, the world has enough to deal with right now. The last thing that we need is a giant robot that shoots lasers, because then Russia's going to make a giant robot that shoots lasers, and then China's going to make a giant robot that shoots lasers, and then the US is going to make a giant robot that shoots lasers, and then Godzilla comes walking up out of the ocean because he hears all the lasers firing. We don't need that right now. But for real, there's no way this thing can become a viable piece of military equipment. It's still tethered to a lot of framework that helps it move. But if this ever does become a viable piece of military technology, I want to be the first to invest in that company. Goodbye, military-industrial complex. Hello, Gundam industrial complex. The amusement park where the Gundam is housed doesn't really have any other attractions. There's a souvenir shop where you can buy some collectibles, and there's a cafe that sells Gundam-inspired drinks and refreshments. Why does my tea taste like metal? But hopefully this is the beginning of a long string of anime-inspired amusement parks all over Japan. I can imagine it now. There's a Yu Yu Hakusho-inspired anime amusement park where you get hit by a car and then become a detective. And there's a Dragon Ball Z-inspired amusement park where you learn to become a good father. Either way, if my luck doesn't get any better, I'm moving to Japan and this guy's going to be my sugar daddy. Hey guys, thanks for watching my dumb head talk. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and give it a like, and maybe check out some of my other videos.